Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're going to learn how to make your dedicated graphics card the main GPU on any laptop or desktop, so your games and heavy programs automatically run on the powerful graphics card and give you the best possible performance. As you already know, most laptops come with two graphics cards, an integrated graphics card, usually from Intel, a dedicated graphics card, like NVIDIA or AMD. So today, I'll show you the correct way to fix this step by step. First step, make sure your graphics driver is installed. After installing Windows, you need to make sure that your dedicated graphics driver is properly installed. There are two ways to check this. Method 1. Right-click on your desktop. If you see NVIDIA Control Panel or the control software for your graphics card, that means the driver is installed correctly. If you have an AMD graphics card, you'll usually find AMD software. Method 2. Right-click on This PC or My Computer, then choose Manage. From the menu, open Device Manager. After that, go to Display Adapters. If you see two graphics cards listed, Intel graphics and NVIDIA graphics, then your system recognizes both GPUs correctly. Now, let's make the dedicated graphics card the default GPU. Go back to your desktop, right-click and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Then go to Manage 3D Settings. You will find an option called Preferred Graphics Processor. Usually, it is set to Auto Select or Integrated Graphics. This means Windows automatically decides which GPU to use. We're going to change it to High Performance NVIDIA Processor. After that, click Apply. And that's it. Now, games and programs will automatically use your dedicated NVIDIA graphics card without you having to manually select every program. What if you only want a specific program to use the dedicated GPU? You can do that as well. Open NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, then open Program Settings. Here, you'll see a list of installed programs. If the program or game is not listed, click Add. Then choose the game or program executable file, .exe. After adding it, you'll see the graphics processor option. Choose High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Then click Apply. Now, only this specific program will run using the dedicated graphics card. All other programs will continue using the normal settings. What is the difference between the two methods? The first method, it makes the entire system use the dedicated graphics card, meaning all games, all programs, all applications. This is the best option if your device is mainly used for gaming, editing, 3D design, or engineering software. The second method, it allows you to choose specific games or programs that should run on the dedicated GPU while everything else stays on the integrated graphics. How to restore the default settings? It's very simple. Go back to NVIDIA Control Panel, then Manage 3D Settings, change Preferred Graphics Processor back to Auto Select or Integrated Graphics. Then click Apply. Now everything will return to the default Windows settings. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next one.